Hello guys, let's make some money now. Let's make some money, guys. As you can see, my Binance balance has $18,034. Okay, this is the money I have been trading on Trebix.com using AI bots. So on this video today, I'm going to show you exactly what you can do and trade and have such balance in your wallet. So without wasting time, guys, let's begin. So guys, before I begin, let me try to tell you something. This video is for educational purpose only. I do not encourage it as a financial advice unless you do exactly what I'm doing, guys. Okay, so after that, now since you have understood me, now let's continue. So guys, the first step you need to do to trade and make such an amount of money in your Binance as well is one, you need to create an account on Trexbeak.com, guys. Okay, if I go to Trexbeak, it's quite challenging. Okay, see, this is my account and you can see the number of trades I have made and also everything. So you need to create an account on Trexbeak.com, and after creating the account, guys, then you will have now to fund it. Okay, so I'm going direct to fund my account, crypto wallet. I'll click on the three dots here and then we'll go on crypto wallet, and then guys, I'll click on deposit, and then I'll choose funding, of course, and then minimum deposit is 20. So I'm going to trade with $500. Okay, then I'll click get deposit address. All right, so this is my deposit address, guys. So I'm going to copy the deposit address and paste on my Binance. Now I'm on my Binance here. I'm going now to click on send, withdraw crypto USDT, and then along press and paste that address here, and then the network will be TRX, guys, and then I'll put amount is 501 because of $1 fee. Okay, so then I will click on withdraw. Okay guys, so now guys, I'm going to click on confirm. Okay, and then I will input my passkey. I will put my passkey, guys, and now I'm putting my passkey here. Don't worry, let me just hide my password, guys, so you don't see my passkey. So I've just put my passkey password, and now the withdrawal is processing. Okay, so since my withdrawal is processing, guys, I'll click on history so that I can see how the process is. You can see here it's still processing. Now I will go back to my Trexbeak account. It's Trexbeak.com. As you can see here, it's Trexbic.com. Okay, so the deposit usually is being detected automatically. There's nothing to worry about. You just wait for the deposit to be detected, and then guys, you proceed trading. Okay, so let's wait for the deposit to be detected and then I will proceed. Thank you guys, so let's wait for it. Just a few minutes. Just be patient always, just like I'm patient right now. Very patient, guys. The deposit will be detected automatically, and then we will start trading now. Okay, still waiting for the deposit, guys, to be detected. Just some few seconds now. And so guys, you can see, and so now you can see, guys, the deposit has been credited, and here it is, 500.00 has been credited. If I click on Tron scan here, I'll see whether the deposit is real. You can see it has been detected. Okay, so now guys, since my deposit is now on my account on Trexbeak.com, the next step I want to do is to go and trade. So I'm going direct to trading bots, on the section of trading bots. Okay, and then I'm going to choose I'm going to choose, you can choose, if you have a free account on trexbit.com, you can just choose free bots. Free bots are also here, and you can also trade up to 50% total returns. Okay, so I'm going now to use, because I'm on free bot, I'm going to use this bot called Pionix Grid Bot, this one. Okay, so this is the bot I'm going to use. So I'm going to click on copy. Okay, and then I'm scrolling down here and put amount. I'm going to put 500 USDT. Okay, because that's what I have, and you can see the return will be 253.50. And then guys, since I have put the stake, sorry, I'm now going to click on sign terms. Okay, so the bot will start now trading live. As you can see here, the bot has started trading. It's now executing trades. And if we go to charts, guys, click charts here, you can see the bot, what the bot is doing. It's buying here, it's buying, now selling. So that's how the bot is working, guys. If your bot is not running, guys, you will not see the chart moving like this. Okay, when chart starts moving like this, just know the bot has started trading, guys. Okay, so now the bot is running, and I have 1 minute to cash out, guys. Remember, guys, this video is for educational purpose only, unless you do exactly what I'm doing. And if you, so guys, once the bot finishes trading, you'll get a notification like this, that the Pionix Grid Bot has finished trading. As you can see, it has invested 500 and earned 253 in profit, guys. Okay, so now the next step is now to click on close this, and then go back, and then now you can see my balance is 754 USDT, guys. So now the next step I'm going to do is click on the 3 dots here and withdraw all my earnings to my Binance account. Okay, so I'm going to click on the 3 dots and then go to crypto wallet. Okay, and then on the crypto wallet here, guys, I'm going to click on withdraw. Okay, and then amount I'm going to put 100%. No, you can see my funding wallet has 00, so I'm going to choose spot wallet because that's where my funds are. And then, guys, I'm going to put 100%, and then I'm going to click on continue to address. And then now the next step here, I'm going to my Binance here. I'm going to my Binance here. You can see 17,533. So now I'm going to click on add funds, and then deposit crypto USDT TRX. Copy the address, my address now, and then paste it here now, and re-enter the address again, and then review. So now the verification code has been sent to my email to confirm the withdrawal. So now let me copy my verification code on my email. Let me go to my email. Guys, just a few minutes. I'm going to my email here. Yes, guys, so my verification code is now here. I'm going to copy now the code, and then copy the code, so, and then come here back and paste the code here, and then confirm withdrawal. Okay, so now you can see the withdrawal is now pending. Okay, it's now pending to my address, so it will take about 1 to 3 minutes, and then I will be back here. Okay, just a few minutes. So guys, as you can see, my status on withdrawal has changed to confirming. Now I'm waiting for it to confirm, guys. Just a few minutes. It's now confirming. Once confirmed, it will write approved. Okay, so just a few minutes. If I click on view on TronScan, On StoneScan here you can see it's successful and now it's being confirmed. Okay, so a few minutes and then I will receive my total withdrawal, guys. Okay, just a few minutes, just a few minutes, guys, for the withdrawal to be confirmed to my wallet. And that is it. I think now it's completed. You can see here it's now completed right here. So now I need to go to my Binance and show you that the withdrawal did arrive or not. Let me refresh. You can see here it is, 726 done. So guys, in short, that's how to trade USDT using AI bots on Binance and Trexbeak.com, guys. Remember the website is Trexbeak.com. So thank you so much for watching this video, and remember to like and save this video whenever you see it in your FYP, and have a lovely day ahead. Thank you so much.